Hey, welcome to another tutorial from WordPress Page Builders Academy. We have an extensive library of tutorials for all the top WordPress page builders. So be sure to subscribe and hit that bell so you can see them when they come out. Okay, now on to today's tutorial.
In today's Beaver Builder tutorial, we are going to be designing product feature boxes for your site. You see this format a lot on review sites, such as this one. This design would be an excellent addition to your review site, a page where you rank or give a visual summary of the products you've reviewed. For today's tutorial, we are going to design a page with several product comparison boxes to compare WordPress page builders. Okay, let's get started. In your WordPress dashboard under the Pages tab, create a new page or edit an existing page, then click Edit with Beaver Builder. In your Beaver Builder editor, drag and drop a container. Add another container module for the content. Go to the Style tab and change the background color to what you prefer. So now let's begin designing the container. Select a color for the container and add 3 columns for the placement of the elements. Next, add image, list, and button for its designated column. Just customize the appearance of your product review box. Then duplicate the container so that we could add the rest of the product that you want to include. After that, replace all the image to its own product. Next, add the product description in the icon list. You can do the rest of the customization for the button, so I already added the other page builder in the list of products. Now let's add a new section so we can put a heading. Change the background color of the container that you want to stand out among the products on display. Then adjust the content text color to fit the background color.
Hey, we've got a quick favor to ask. If you've made it this far into that tutorial, please smash that like button. It will really help out this channel and these tutorials. Okay, now back to the actual tutorial. Thank you.
Then if you are happy with the results, preview how it looks. You should also check how it looks on mobile to see if it is mobile responsive. If you are not satisfied with the way it looks on mobile, then you can adjust and modify the mobile version of the page. After that, let's now add a link URL to each of the buttons. If you are satisfied with your design, save draft or publish, then preview changes. Let's now try the buttons to see if they really work.
Okay, that's pretty much it for this tutorial. If you liked the video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And these videos take a lot of time, so if you do appreciate the content, be sure to subscribe and hit that bell so we can reach more people. Thank you. And if you have any comments or questions, leave in the section below and we will get to them as soon as we can. Thank you very much and see you next time. Bye.